to Cardiff City Stadium and Venue Cymru for our 2025 Explore Export Wales.
We're back in Explore Export Wales for the fourth year in a row. Exports contribute 37% to Wales's GDP. So the more we can support businesses in Wales to develop their exports, the more we can support economic growth in Wales.
We know that exporting is really important for businesses. It can make them more resilient, it can help them become more productive, and we are working really hard to help businesses realise those incredible ambitions.
The room's bouncing, it's really busy, there's a lot of business being done, there's a lot of knowledge that's been gained, so 100% this is an important event for businesses across North Wales.
We're an international dairy company and we export to over 45 countries. There's always gaps and we're really ready to explore those gaps and see whether there's new potential opportunities.
We're here because we just started to export. One of our customers has moved abroad with the manufacturing, so it's going to make our transition to exporting, I think, a lot easier.
I definitely recommend this event for people that are in business or looking to grow their business. Lots of inspiring conversations, just reminds you of why you're in business and why you want to do business in Wales.
I cannot believe how much support there is for Welsh companies who want to export. The amount of information that's available, the amount of funding that's available, honestly, I've been blown away.
Diolch yn fawr Gogledd Cymru. Thank you very much, North Wales. Being able to turn around and meet people from Japan, from China, from India, from the USA, learn about opportunities in market. We're looking forward to Explore Export Wales 2026. Look out online for when that's going to be coming back up to North Wales and South Wales again. Diolch yn fawr.